Here's the Hunter Brunswick, which is installed in the master bedroom. As you can see, there's a beautiful freon light kit. This is at someone's house for a brunch. I had permission, so I'm allowed to demonstrate because I have permission. Finally, I can film these. This is low. This is a cool Hunter fan, as you can see. It is an uncommon Hunter fan, but still a cool Hunter fan. It's on low. Medium. This is probably... This is the speed they usually keep it on. This is probably medium speed for this fan. Here's high. Well, it's going out there. It wobbles a bit. This is